Puerto Vallarta Environmental Enforcement Protect Life is an environmental initiative with the main purpose of stopping hotels and companies from throwing all their waste into the ocean. Puerto Vallarta is well known as a touristic place in Mexico, with the main attraction being the amount of biodiversity and incredible landscapes. Polluting and destroying Puerto Vallarta's main attraction is not only going to affect the economical income of the city, but also kill the innocent living beings that live on the coast. Using the NABC guide, the entrepreneurial initiative will be distributed in needing hotel owners as well as visitors to find a solution to put their disposals, because if they are caught littering the ocean, an economic sanction will be given. Approaching the companies and factories that pollute daily to show them the consequences and help them to create solutions to reduce the damages. If the companies and hotels refuse to stick to the rules, an economic sanction will be given. Eliminating the waste that is constantly polluting Vallarta's oceans will help to improve the looks of the bay, but most importantly is going to give back the ecosystem that thousands of species used to live in, saving marine life. Competition. We expect hotels and companies to not want to pay the taxes or the correct disposals of their waste, which makes them our biggest competitor and adversaries. These big companies and hotels might get against us, making the process of cleaning the beaches more difficult. Vision. The vision for this project is to create an organization that is linked to the government that sees if the guidelines are being followed. If hotels and companies are not following the rules and are still polluting the oceans, the company will have the right to give them a money penalty that can keep increasing until the companies take responsibility for their waste. We will collect funds from social media promotions, and influencers will help to make people know about our initiative and recover the money that we need. The main stakeholders are two: government and collaborators. Government. The government is going to give us the power to constantly check hotels, but also give us the authority we need in order to make our work easier and credible. Government is also going to release all the restrictions and regulations we are going to impose on the hotels and companies that are throwing their waste into the sea. Collaborators are going to be distributed into volunteers that are going to bring all the help we might need, biologists that will help us to back up all of our initiatives with important and reliable information, and lawyers will back up all of our initiatives with legal documents. My contribution to the team and to the association will be to keep creating content ideas that will get our project up to date. I would also be part of the team that goes and talks to the hotel managers and gives them the solutions they need in order to stop polluting the oceans. If the companies do not follow our advice, I would also be on the team that gives them the infraction. Right now, as a student, I could only be a volunteer of the association, helping by giving ideas on how to clean the beaches, but also learning by working with lawyers and biologists.